So if you have been following this particular channel for some time, you would have noticed that there has been something different. I've been here, but I haven't fully been here. I feel like a lot of you felt that. And I've been looking at the comments, it's kind of like you missed that old person, the one that was doing all the tutorials. So today I wanted to talk about what has been happening. And more importantly, I want to talk about the direction of this channel. And I think it's going to change what this channel means for you. You see, when I started this channel, oh, you remember this one? I was doing DIY tutorials, I was doing room makeovers sometimes, and a lot of crafts. I really enjoy making things, like kind of taking something out of nothing, just seeing the transformation of it and how beautiful it turned out in the end. It was always shocking to me to kind of like, wow, I took these a couple of things and I created this from it. It really expanded my palette, like through creativity in me. It made me look at things a lot differently, and I'm sure it did for you too. I think a lot of you found me because I was doing those things. Somewhere down the line, it started to feel a little different. Like it wasn't really aligning to kind of like who I was or what I was doing. It was almost like I had an alter ego. My channel was doing one thing and then I was behind the scenes doing another. I showed you how to make things, like very specific things, probably sometimes you didn't really need, or it was like tailored to what I was thinking. It was just giving you that idea, but it just leaves you to kind of like figure out on your own, how can you make it yours, I think it was very helpful, but I feel like I didn't show you things that you should consider in your space, like the actual things that you need, not just what I'm doing and maybe you could possibly do it, because your room is different. Your home is different. You have a different layout. You have different hobbies. You have different functions. Like different people live in your house. You are different. Your personality is different. What you like is not necessarily what I like. So it's like I was showing you specifically something that I had in mind, but I didn't give you what you needed in order to incorporate the things you actually need in your space. And that's where everything changes. So through working with clients and working with different design spaces and working over a course of the years, learning about different spaces and what actually works in a room, I truly developed a different relationship with interior design. It stopped being about the project and more about the design decision. Here's what I've learned. Most people are not struggling with how to make things. Initially, maybe, especially if you're getting started, but as you have built up your experience and you start doing more projects and you already have the instructions, there's so much information out here. It's not about making things. It's struggling to make the right decisions. Which color, what furniture piece, design style, where to start. Nothing seems to work, or it still feels off even though you've purchased a couple of things, you moved it over to a different location, it just still doesn't feel right. Those aren't craft problems. They're design thinking problems. And that's what I do now. I help people think through their spaces, not just decorate them. I am not a traditional interior designer where I come into your space and just take over and everything is done when you get home. Although I used to do that in the past, nor am I a DIY instructor or tutorial creator teaching you how to do something specific. I am now an interior design strategist and coach, and my job is to help you make confident design decisions in your home, so you can feel that it was done with intention, it's cohesive, and it's something that you actually enjoy. That's the shift. It's from making to thinking. That is what the channel is about now. And I wanted to share with you what that looks like in practice. Let me show you my guest bedroom. I just finished it. I want to walk you through it, not like a tutorial or a tour or anything like that. I just want to do a design thinking exercise, because every single decision that I made for this space It wasn't about trend. It wasn't about the budget. It was for a specific reason. When I first worked on this space, I didn't just think about what should be in the room. I thought about how I wanted to feel. And that's a very different starting point. Okay, so let's look at this wall, for example. These were actual shots that I made when I went to South Africa. I am so proud of my work, and they tell a story. I had such an amazing experience. I thought I would share it and frame it in this room. I could have done like 10 different things here, but the choice that I made was appropriate for this space. And that comes down to proportion, to visual weight, and what the rest of the room is doing. And that, my friends, is design thinking and what I'm planning to share on this channel moving forward. So if you're decorating your home and it just feels off, it's like you're buying things, you are rearranging, and it's still not working, you are in the right place. This channel is for people who want a beautiful home with intention. People who want to make smart design decisions, not just go and buy what they see online or what's on Pinterest. They actually want to make intentional decisions based on their likes, their function, their layout. So you do the decorating and I will help you figure out what your space needs and why. That's what's coming, and I am so excited about it, and I'm glad that you are here with me. Okay, so there's a couple of things I wanted to talk about before you go. The first thing, if you already have a room that is feeling off, it's not cohesive, you are struggling with the layout, you are struggling with colors, the whole nine, I want you to know that's exactly the people who I help. I offer design coaching as well as strategy sessions where we both look at your room and I figure out what exactly your room needs. No guessing, no generic advice, just a clear direction. The link to work with me will be in the description box below. Take a look when you're ready. Second, subscribe to the channel as well as hype this video, because what's coming to this channel over the next couple of weeks is going to be some of the most useful design content that I have ever made. We're going to talk about why rooms fail, how to read the space, and how to make design decisions with confidence. I'm going to take you through my own home as it evolves. I'll see you in the next one.